In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a walk-by transition in Premiere. Let's get to it. Here we are in Premiere. I've got this video as the example where the person's walking across the screen, and we can use this video to create a walk-by transition. Now, first thing you should do is to find a moment where you want the transition to begin. For me, it would be this frame, because this is the first frame where we can see the background to the left of both legs. Now, we need to create a mask around this area. In order to do that, let's select the video on a timeline. Then open the Effect Controls panel, and under the opacity, select Free Draw Bezier tool. And now before you create a mask, I'm going to set this one to 50%, so we zoom out slightly, and then go ahead and create a mask around this area. And once you've connected the mask, your video will turn black. In order to fix it, we need to check inverted box under the mask. And now we can see the rest of the video, and only the area that we've masked will become black, therefore transparent. And now if we click away, this is our mask. It has very sharp edges. Let's soften them out by increasing the feather. And as you do that, your edges of the mask will become transparent, and now we can see stuff through it. In order to fix it, we need to expand the mask. I'm going to increase the mask expansion slightly until we cover those edges. So make sure nothing's showing through. And after you've adjusted the mask to the first frame, let's create a keyframe for mask path. And now we need to move forward one or few frames at a time and adjust the mask to keep this area covered. So I'm going to move one frame forward, and here you can see we have a bigger area to cover. So let's select the mask 1 until we see the point, and simply reposition these points to cover a new bigger area. And pretty much keep doing this for the rest of the video. And after you're done animating the mask, you should have something like this. So now let's go back to the first frame that we created. This one, and then move one frame to the left, then select the mask and move it outside of the frame, so it starts only when we need it from this frame. Then let's move this video one or a few tracks up. Just make sure you leave an extra video track below this one so we can add a different video. So here I'm going to add another video to the track number 1, and now if we do the preview, we should have this walk by transition. That is because everything that we've masked out in the first video has become transparent, therefore anything that we put onto the tracks below this one will show through. So that's how you can create the walk by transition. You can also create the door transition, the window, the sunglasses and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching.